Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. Laconco is making it her mission to tarnish Makhumalo Tobile Mseleku's reputation in this season's Real Housewives of Durban. This is according to tweets who have noticed Laconco's actions. On today's episode, the girls were invited to Surisa's Halloween party where they were expected to dress up as evil but yet sexy. All the girls dressed according to the theme except for Khomotso and Makhumalo, who are Laconco's least favorite girls. In her diary section, Laconco once again made comments about Makhumalo and that she wasn't dressed according to the theme because she wore a red dress instead of being sexy and scary like the theme said. Nonku came to defend Tobile on her diary sessions when she explained that the girls won't like Tobile because of her polygamous marriage to Umusa Mseleku. Tobile was feeling out of place and lonely at the Halloween party and mentioned that she's not feeling good and had to leave, which made Laconco very happy to see her leave. And according to me and people on Twitter, they were saying that she had to leave because of the curfew that Musa Mseleku has for all his four wives. Now, you guys do engage with me in the comment sections. I will definitely see you on my next commentary. Thank you so much. Bye.